why the family court system works the way it does. It may seem like a big question, but it's all with a very simple answer. And that answer is money. It's all about greed. For instance, men are the majority earners in America. They're the ones who do most of the stuff in order to amass wealth and build it up. While women, on the other hand, are the majority consumers, the majority spenders. So, what the courts think is that the money and resources would do better in her hands, as she would be more likely to go out and spend it on things in order to feed it back to the system. While the man is usually left in a financial struggle of some sort as a result from the divorce. Another reason is that it doesn't just send money over to the women so that they can do that. It's also so that the court system and the divorce lawyers get that money as well. Because as we all know, divorce can be rather profitable for some, while at the detriment of others. So, every time that something like this happens, the government sends money down to the family courts. And sure, this may seem like something that people would actually want to go out and talk about, especially those who face injustices in the family courts. But it turns out that men aren't actually allowed to usually talk about these things. Because if they're caught, or if there's any evidence of them actually talking about these things or revealing these things, they're at the judge's mercy. If they did end up getting custody of the children in the first place, they may end up losing it over to their ex. That, or they may be put in jail for it. That's also the reason why nobody's really allowed to record what goes on in there. Whether it's the would-be wife or would-be husband, I'm afraid that that's not how it really works. So that was just my short little answer. It's all about money, transfer of wealth, feeding the system so that it can cycle through all of these people in order to amass more wealth at the detriment of others. And that is all. Blade Master signing off.